Hello, my name is Maisha Rahman and I'm doing my final project on Tamagotchi gaming. And for my Tamagotchi gaming, I have created three files. My three files are main.cpp, pet.cpp, and pet.h. On my main.cpp, I have included rstream, included fstream, included vector, and included pet.h using namespace std, void menu, int menu, and I have some string right here which gonna um, in, emphasize my text, pet name, type, and my file name. And here I have like vector string values, and I have created some values that's gonna go under this vectors. And here my couts, like how I'm gonna put my compiler, how it gonna looks like when it's gonna ask to the user to use there. So first it's gonna do like it's gonna ask the user to load or create the pet, and the load thing is gonna come from this lorc thing because I have created my if stream my read files. That load is gonna I have set my pet under this file. And if someone wants to create, like first the user have to create their pet, and then they're gonna load it, and it gonna be loading under this file. And then later on I can get my loaded file from this saved file. So basically I'm creating here a pet, and it's gonna ask all this output that welcome to Peppa Pet Land. There are three pets to choose your pet. So there's gonna be like three pets that I can choose, that rabbit, cat, and dog. And then it's gonna come out which pet do you like to pick and what would you like to name your pet. And after that I created ifstream to save my file under, or to load my file under this file. And what will come up with my read file dot open f name, which is gonna go under this. And when I'll be putting it up here is gonna get my file from getline, and it will read it from my read file and my text. Here I have initiated the pet into pet, and it will create a new pet with the pet name and type. So after that I have set the values right here, and I have integer choice integer choice which is gonna ask what would you like to do with your pet. And I have options set up here, like you can listen to pet, feed the pet, play with pet, put pet into sleep, display pet behavior, and finally stop the game. So there is a choice that a user can choose from here. And I set it up with switch statement, and I have 6 cases. For first case 1, the pet will talk. The second, the pet will feed, it will play with pet, napping, display pet behavior, and stopping. And when it's a stop and or with whenever it's 6 is gonna stop. Other than that, it will show the error message here. So that's basically in my main.cpp, my pet cpp that I have right here is saying how the pet is behavior. So I have void pet talk and set up as rabbit for mouch, cat for meow, and for dog bark. And there's some a string pet to get pet name, a string pet to get pet type, int pet get boredness, int pet get sleepiness, and all this thing. And I have p.h set it up as this. So all of this right here. So these are my boredness and sleepiness. And if I run this, so here I'm hitting run, and first is gonna tell me to create. So I'm creating my pet. It come with welcome to Papa Petland. There's 3 pets to choose: rabbit, cat, and dog. So I would like to go with rabbit. So what do you like to name your pet? I would like to say Sky. So what do you like to do with your pet? So first I would like to listen to my pet. So I would choose 1 and it comes with match. Then 2, and then I would like to play with my pet, which is playing with pet. So after this I would like to see how my pet behaving. So I would like to put 5 on it, and it will come up with the solution that my pet, which is a Sky, I named it a Sky. Sky is very hungry because here my hungry level is 86 and boredness is 9. So I'm good with my boredness and sleepiness, but my hunger level is quite full, so I have to feed my pet. So I'm gonna feed my pet again, which is number 2, and then I'm gonna try to look how my pet is behaving. So I'm gonna put 5 again. Here Sky is moderately hungry, so it is still hungry but is less than before. It was 86 before, now it's 40, so it's less. So I can still feed my pet and look for the next how much hungry she is or he is now. And the hunger level is quite good now. It's 19 and boredom 9, which is good, but I can see the sleep level is increased up as I feed my pet. So I can put my pet into sleep now. So I would like to choose 4, and it will say pet sleep for 8 hours. So now I'm gonna put 5 again, and it's neither hungry neither bored, and the sleep level is also good, which discrete 107 to 27, which is very good. And at this point I can put my pet again into sleep and again look for sleepness, and it actually get a decrease to 0, which is a very good thing. And now my pet is not hungry, not bored, and her sleep level is also 0. So I'm good to end with my game. So I would like to put 6, and it will stop my game, and it's stopping. Thank you.